welcome to the smartphone graphic design blueprint course. This is an intensive program that designed on how to design on the go anywhere from any of your smartphone devices, whether Android or you use an iPhone or an iPad. Be sure to know that you can design them yourself. I mean by you can design them yourself, I'm talking about all those graphic design tools, graphic design products that you need for probably your business or your social media or whatever thing that you want to use a design for. So, and my name is Hamida Adenoga. I'm a designer, and I'll be taking you through this amazing course. So let's get into it. Yeah, there is a reason why we go into graphic design. Like, it is very, 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 very high in demand, and going by the information, the statistics, especially from Status Bureau and Statista this year 2021, as we can see the size of the market, we have the Instagram stories daily viewers, about 500 million active Instagram users. That is so massive. And monthly clicks on Facebook ads, we have about 12, like 12 monthly clicks on one Facebook ad. And YouTube active users, we have about 2.3 billion. This is so massive. Like, there are so many other information on the statistics, but let's just limit it to, we have the Instagram stories. This deals with the full screen size of probably either you choose to design a picture or you choose to use a GIF or video format. Stories accept, Instagram stories accept those media formats. So imagine you having 500 million views worldwide, and Facebook monthly ads too. On Facebook we have different media as well, but on YouTube we have as much as 2.3 billion video viewers. So this gets you thinking that, okay, if so many people are out there on social media, so why not try and think of how to bring your content out to them? So that is why we need to get to them. Apart from the social media statistics, as we can see, that the interesting part of the COVID-19 on some business activities is that from Smithers data this year 2021, to protect some income and revenue during lockdown, many retailers have opened new e-commerce stores. Like, we have new online stores, whether they have their websites or they run those e-commerce on their social media platform. So, but definitely there is a 40% rise in e-commerce packaging, with each purchase requiring additional packaging and delivery labels. What does this mean is that, okay, in past years, we have those stores, they just walk in and buy, or they just send their products to their customers. But during and after lockdown, there are lots of needs for packaging and delivery. People just want to get something doing. So more people have joined the online business uh, online business thing. So people need more packaging, people need more delivery labels, people need more of branding. So and there is a 40% rise in that. So it is something very, very indicative, and that we are going to look into it. And since the year 2020, customized prints of direct to customer products like mugs, calendars, or other photo products, you know, those things have been in high demand than before COVID-19. So now let's look into who is this graphic design course for. We have the social media managers, those people who are interested in managing social media platforms for business owners or for companies, for organizations, and all. Then we have business owners themselves, those who think, okay, fine, yeah. And this is why this course is mainly put out. So for business owners, you can actually design them yourself. It's not easy, it's not difficult. So why not do it yourself? And those who are aspiring to be graphic designers themselves, then for organizations, there are so many um, things that they can do themselves. Then for schools and teachers, there are different educational uses on that, on these tools that we'll be using, that we'll be looking into for this design course. Then any design material user, or even any design enthusiast. So this course is actually for every design user or every design enthusiast. Now, and what is this design used for? We use designs for social media uses, purposes, so many things like posts, like ads, like infographics, things that that you can give value to people online. So then for education as well, there are so many educational purposes, educational designs that you can put out there. Whether be it your lesson plan, you want to design your lesson plan, you want to design class indicator, you want to design timetable, report cards, name it, anything that has to be designed, name it, you can do that yourself. Business branding, you to design a logo, you want to design your letterhead, you want to design posters, flyers, and all that. And that goes into sales and marketing as well. Your flyers, posters, anything, name it, you can design them. And yes, even on your smartphone. And we'll be getting into that when we start the main course. Print products like calendars, print products like jotters, print products like souvenirs, name it, anything printing, labels, packaging, materials, you can design them even on your smartphone. Then for personal uses, like, okay, I just want something personalized for myself. I want to design for a mug, my t-shirts, anything, something just for myself. Yes, I can design them and get them printed out. Then for events and ceremonies, like I mentioned, souvenirs like bags, t-shirts, pens, mugs, and all that. So you can design them, then take for printing, and you get them produced. Then this takes us to what to learn in this course. First, we'll be looking at the introduction to visual or graphic design, major tools to get started and going, designs for online and offline uses, then different product ideas and how to design them. So we'll be looking at these areas, these major areas, and we'll be delving into them in details. So let's get going. We'll see in the next module. Thank you.